Hi friends, today I'm going to show you 3 ingredients Scotty shortbread. It's so delicious and melt in mouth. So let's start. We needed 2 sticks of butter, 4 ounce each sticks at the room temperature, or you can microwave for 15 to 30 seconds. We also needed 3/4 cup sugar. Powdered sugar is the best. Make sure you add sugar gradually and make the butter really fluffy. Mix about 2 to 3 minutes. Now use sifter and add 2 cups all-purpose flour and sift it out so you will take all impurity. Add 1/8 cup salt, it's optional, and also 1 teaspoon green cardamom powder, that's also optional. I like it, so that's what I'm adding it, but you don't have to. Now mix well and make a dough. Once your dough is completely done, use 8x8 pan with the placement paper. Add your dough and flatten it out with your fingers or spatula evenly, so you will have a nice flat surface. Now cut it as you desire. You can cut a finger, square, triangle, however you want, you can cut it. Also use fork to mark on it if you like it, or you can leave just plain. Some of the mark might be gone while cooking, so it's up to you. If you like to mark it, you can mark it just to look the store-bought. Now make sure you preheat your oven to 350. Now bake for 30 to 35 minutes at 350. Check at 30 minutes to see if your shortbread is done. So now after 30 minutes I'm checking to see if it's done. Your shortbread should be like light brown. It's perfectly done, so take it out from oven and let it cool down for 15 to 20 minutes. You can see some of the mark is gone, so I'm just redoing it again. And you can cut it and enjoy with tea, coffee, chai, or even as a snack or even dessert. It's absolutely delicious and melt in mouth. Thank you for watching.